Allah is saying in Surah Maryam chapter number 19 verse number 88 to 92 that they, the non-Muslims, the Christians, the other non-Muslims, they are saying that Allah has begotten a son. It is the most heinous thing you can say to Allah. If the sky had feelings, the sky would have burst open. The earth would have split asunder. The mountains would have fallen down to utter ruin. Allah says that if anyone says Allah has begotten a son, it is the biggest abuse you can give to Allah. If the sky had feelings, the sky would have burst open. The earth would have split asunder. The mountains would have fallen down to utter ruin. But to us Muslim, nothing is happening. We are sitting on our backside doing nothing. Every day our non-Muslim friends, our non-Muslim colleagues, our non-Muslim people at work, our Christian brothers and sisters, our Hindu brothers and sisters, they are saying Allah has begotten a son and we can't even open our mouth.